In the bustling hub of Detroit's automotive battleground, disruptions in the manufacturing world send shockwaves through precision machinery. Picture your production line as a perfectly orchestrated dance, with the CNC spindle as the lead performer. Any misstep can throw off the entire routine. That's where Motor City Spindle Repair steps in. In the intricate world of CNC machining, precision is not just a goal, it's a necessity. Motor City Spindle Repair, with decades of expertise, becomes your backstage crew, ensuring your manufacturing performance is flawless. While the Big Three navigate labor disputes, uninterrupted production becomes paramount. Downtime is the enemy of efficiency, and Motor City Spindle Repair is here to ensure your CNC spindles are up and running, maintaining the perfect harmony on your production floor. Why now? With the automotive industry at a crossroads, securing the backbone of your manufacturing, your CNC spindles, is a strategic move. Motor City Spindle Repair offers more than repairs. We provide upgrades, preventative maintenance, and personalized solutions tailored to your needs. Don't let uncertainties in the automotive industry affect your precision manufacturing. Now is the opportune moment to partner with Motor City Spindle Repair. We're not just repairing spindles, we're empowering your production to thrive in any landscape.